Hello, DESFAM, and welcome to another DESFAM Family Adventure. Yes, welcome to the Disneyland Resort New Year's Eve. We are saying goodbye to 2021. Bye. And saying hello to 2022. That's right, we are here on the last day of the year, celebrating with the Des family. We got Lily right here, too. She's already enjoying herself. Look at that. Yep. She don't want no cameras right now, guys. It's all good. We're going to go ahead and have a great time, you guys, so come along with us. And let's see what the Disneyland Resort has to offer on the last day of the year. Let's go!
Alright guys, we're here at DCA. We thought it was going to be pretty, not so busy today, but we've been in line for Monsters Inc. for about 45 minutes. Doesn't seem super busy, but it's kind of busy. It's starting to pick up for sure.
45 minutes for Monsters Inc. There must be a human loose inside Monstropolis.
We're committed. This one's excited for Monsters Inc. So we're waiting it out.
Wow. Anyways, counting down to the new year. We're gonna give 2021 the finger for a few hours. Alright, so the party is going to get ready to get started just in a few hours. So right here at the Hollywood Boulevard, this is where they're going to have a big old dance party tonight for New Year's Eve as we say goodbye to 2021 and hello 2022. So the cool thing is, all throughout the park, they have a cool little photo stations just like that, photo ops. You can take your picture and commemorate the celebration of welcoming the actual New Year. Pretty cool stuff. This one says, Happy New Year 2022, Disney's California Adventure. Alright guys, to start off the party here, New Year's Eve party at Disney's California Adventure, I got the first drink of the night. This is an adult drink for everybody 21 and over because it has a little razzmatazz in there. This is from Prim Kitchen, it's called the Regulator. And this one has Patron Silver, Tequila, Golden Cart, Mango in it. It has habanero syrups and mango flavored boba. Little boba balls in here. Oh my god, it's so good. Let's get the party started, guys. We're just hours away from giving the finger to 2021 and saying what's up to 2022. If you guys have been asking yourselves what exactly it means when I say give the finger, it doesn't mean to flip the bird. It means to give the finger as in no 2021, do not come back. Yes, 2022.
Alright guys, I got the same drink as I'm already drunk. I got the same drink as Dave.
You're what?
I'm already drunk. Our first drink of the night. Many more to come. Stay tuned.
I don't know what they put in this thing, but it's really good. You guys get real thirsty walking around the park on New Year's Eve. Yeah, I'm always thirsty. Try, baby. You take away my thirst. So you put something in the boba. Alright, DESFAM! The nightfall is upon us. We still got about 6 hours, and we have absolutely no idea. We have no idea what to do for the next 6 hours. But we got our top hats. Brenda has her festive mouse ears. Very cute.
I can't see 'em.
Oh, well, you can see them light up. That's pretty good. And the baby, she is top hat ready. Say Happy New Year! That's right.
Good job.
See, we've been practicing, guys. So, seems like the park is getting a little bit more and more crowded. That's okay. The more the merrier, the happier and the bigger the party. Woo! Alright guys, here we go, round 2 right here. New Year's Eve at Disneyland. Oh yeah. We're gonna celebrate the new year, alright. We're gonna celebrate it being happy and broke. So DESFAM, so at the moment we're taking a little chill. Got a couple hours until we say goodbye and give the finger to 2021 and say hello to 2022. So, babes, what was your favorite memory of 2021?
Oh, my favorite memory. I think becoming dream key holders and bringing the baby back to the park, having her experience everything like it was her first time again was probably like my favorite of the year.
I would agree. We're now about an hour and a half away from ringing in 2022. The party just got started here at Disney's California Adventure by Paradise Beer. Check it out, they got a DJ. What? They got Mickey and friends out there dancing. And I got my babies right here, my queen and my princess, having a good time, partying it up. That's the way we should do New Year's every single year, ladies and gentlemen, here at Disney. We love you guys. See you later. Bye, 2021. We don't ever want to see you again. Hello, 2022. Woo! Alright, DESFAM. Woo! Party's still going tonight. Lost my voice. Still got my drink. It's all good. Want to wish all of our viewers a happy 2022. Happy New Year's, everybody. May you guys have a wonderful and safe New Year. Wish you guys all the best from the Dance Family, guys. We'll see you guys on the next one. If you haven't done so already, make sure to like and subscribe. sure to hit that like button. Also, make sure to leave us a little comment, guys. We appreciate it. Happy New Year's, guys, from the Des family. We'll see you on the next.